Go ahead, Figgy. Would you sing first?
No.
Please?
No! No, please.
No, please? Yes, please.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes. You want cereal?
Please, Mommy.
What kind of cereal?
That's my mommy's cereal.
Oh, okay. Could you just sing Baa Baa Black Sheep real quick?
No.
Baa Baa.
No.
Figgy, what did you have for breakfast today?
Nothing.
Nothing? Didn't Daddy make you something? What did Daddy make you for breakfast?
Aggie.
And what else?
Oatmeal.
And what else? Did you have oatmeal? And you're still hungry?
Yeah.
Baa Baa Black Sheep?
Mama, I'm trying.
Okay.